After understanding the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, let us do a numerical on it. The numerical is determine the uncertainty in the position of a ball moving with the velocity of 50 meters per second, calculated with an accuracy of 10%. The mass of the ball is 50 grams. So a ball is moving with a speed of 50 meters per second, and its speed has been calculated with an accuracy of 10%, and we have to determine the uncertainty in its position. So delta x we have to find out. The uncertainty in the velocity, since the accuracy is within 10%, so it will be 10% of 50. So it will come out to be 5 meters per second. Mass of the ball, which is given as 50 grams, must be changed to 10 to the power minus 3 kilograms, SI units. So these are all the values we already know, and now we know the formula of the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. The formula is the product of uncertainty in the position, mass, and the uncertainty in the velocity is greater than equal to h over 4 pi. So we take it as equal to h over 4 pi, that's the minimum value. Now we know this is the product of mass into the uncertainty in the velocity is the momentum, and we have to find out only the delta x. Let's put the values of all these things. It will be delta x, m is your 50 into 10 to the power minus 3. The uncertainty in the velocity is 5 meters per second, and it is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. 4 into 3.14. See, whenever we'll be doing numericals on Heisenberg uncertainty principle, this figure is almost as a constant, and we can remember its value. It is almost is 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 35. And we know delta x is equal to 50, sorry, it is into 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 5. Now we can find out what is this delta x is. This delta x will be 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 35 upon 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 5. When we calculate all this, the answer comes out to be 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 34. This is what is the uncertainty in the position of that moving particle is. So this is how we can calculate the uncertainty in the positions or the momentum or the velocity of any moving particle with the help of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle.